Hi everyone. Basically, this is just a video for introduction to angles, and we're going to talk about when they speak about standard position. And the things you need to know are the words initial side. This is always the the positive x-axis is always your initial side. So this is your x, x, x. So these are your initial sides. That's all that means. Now, terminal side means where does the angle end. So, for example, if I want to go 120 degrees, and we're always going counterclockwise for positive angles. So, to go to 120 degrees, I'm going to go right about here for 120 because this is 90 degrees up here. It's your Y. And this would be your terminal side. So this angle is 120 degrees. This is your terminal side. And the terminal side happens to be in quadrant 2. Alright, let's do it again. Now, we have our initial side is your x again. And we're going to go negative 120. That means you go clockwise. And to go clockwise, so we're going to go about 120 clockwise, but that's going to be negative 120 degrees. And then your terminal side is right here, which leaves us in quadrant 3. And for example, 90 degrees would go counterclockwise, and our terminal side would be actually the y-axis here. It's 90 degrees, and it's not in a quadrant. Okay? And let's do a few problems here. They want to know, basically, we want the angle measure represented by each rotation. So these are rotations. And all you have to do is just 360 degrees in an angle. So when they're saying counterclockwise, one complete rotation is like that. That's how they do it. So this would be your terminal side, initial and terminal side there. But they want 1.5, so you go again. So your terminal side would be right here. And all you have to do here is we're just going to multiply. It's 1.5. So that's going to be, oh, I think we got on the wrong one. But anyway, so this would be 1.5 times 360 degrees. And that would equal 540 degrees. And clockwise, what you're going to do is 7.5 times negative 360 degrees. And that's going to equal, let's see, I already did this, negative 2,700 degrees. I think I skipped a slide, so yeah. So 3 rotations clockwise, so that would be like this. 1, 2, oh no it wouldn't, I'm going the wrong way. Clockwise means clockwise, so that's going to be negative. So you're going to go negative. So that's clockwise. There's 1 rotation, 2 rotations, 3 rotations. So it's 3 times negative 360 degrees, which equals negative 180 whoops, sorry, 1,080 degrees. Okay, 2 rotations counterclockwise means our angle is positive. And again, these are x and y. I kind of get lazy here. So this is yx. So that would be 1, 2. So it's 2 times 360 degrees, which equals 720 degrees. And if we continue on, we have 2.25 rotations counterclockwise. You don't really have to draw it. It's at 2 1/4. Counterclockwise would be 1, 2, and 1/4 would be right up there. And all you have to do is go 2.25 times 360 degrees, and that equals 810 degrees. All right, and then this is like 5 1/3. So you go around 5 times, and then you go back down to 1/3. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1/3. So there's your terminal side right there. And so that would be 5.75 times negative 360 degrees. So you already saw what I did. I went the wrong way. I'm so used to going the right way, so let's do it again. It looked messy anyway. So this would be, get it bigger. We have to go clockwise. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1/3. So we're ending right in here. Sorry for the mess, but you don't have to, we don't have to draw them really. All you have to do is, if you're going clockwise, it's negative 360 degrees, and counterclockwise, it's going to be positive. It's going to be negative. And the last one, how many degrees are represented by 4 counterclockwise revolutions? So that's just going to be 4 times, since it's counterclockwise, that's positive 360 degrees, which equals 1440 degrees. And that's all. The next video we're going to talk about is identifying all angles that are coterminal with an angle. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.